much cheer. Hey y'all, how y'all been doing? Hope everybody been doing pretty good. Today I have for you a video on me restoring a wig, because you know, as y'all know, I am a synthetic girly. I do like some human hair wigs, but mostly I like to wear synthetic hair, synthetic wigs, because pretty much you're already styled, and I'm not the best, you know, curler and all that kind of stuff. So I do like to go back and, you know, when my wigs start getting kind of old looking, I do like to go in and fix them up and revamp them. So I do have a wig today, and I don't really know the name of this wig. I wish I'd have kept the stock card, because a lot of times I do. But it's this pretty burgundy wig. So I'm sure it's a J90, was it J99 with a black root. I really like this wig. When I first got this wig, I thought it was so cute. It's really the color. I think the color is very becoming on me, and I like the length of it and everything. Now, I wish I could show you a before picture of what it used to look like, but I really don't have a photo of it. But just know that it was cute when I got it. So this is what it's looking like now, okay? So, I mean, we got the hair, it's all tangled up. It's matted in the back. You know, it's got some makeup and glue on it. But it can be salvaged. It's actually not really that bad. So I am going to go in and I'm going to fix this wig up, and I'm going to show you guys just how I did it. All right, so usually before I even do anything with the wig, I like to put it on and see what it looks like and brush out the tangles. So as you see already, this is a really beautiful color wig. It's nice. The front of it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it blends in pretty good with my skin and everything. Probably because it's got old makeup on it. But I like to go in and brush it out and get all of the tangles out, so I can get a good idea of what all I need to do with this wig. And some people that like, you know, more of the natural texture of wigs, which I do, but you know, some people that like a lot of the blown out hairstyles, like a, you know, fresh blowout. This actually would be a cute look for just a blown out, you know, just a blown out wig. Okay, I'm pulling all of it to the front so I can brush it, and when I take it off, I'm going to brush the nape of the wig. So I'm going to get around to that part. But yeah, I like to just brush it out. And truth be told, I would wear it like this, but you know, I don't really want it to have so much volume right now. So I will be going in and, you know, I want to wash it, and then I want to straighten it out and things like that. Yeah, I got most of the tangles out, so I'm going to go ahead and brush out the nape of the wig, and then I'm going to go and wash it. And when I do wash it, I usually wash it with whatever shampoo I have, but I do like to try to use a shampoo that has a silicone mix, because I don't know, something about it, I just feel like it gives it a better shine. So this is the shampoo that I'm going to be using. All right, y'all, so first I would like to run the water in the sink, and then I would add this into the water. It's going to be warm water, a little bit hotter than warm, just to, you know, get all the dirt and stuff out and debris. All right, y'all, so I tried to speed it up a little bit. I am putting in the shampoo and splashing it around the water a little bit so that it can get bubbly, and I'm putting the wig inside of that water. You don't want to put the shampoo directly on top of the wig. You know, you want to give it a bath, okay? So this is how I'm washing it. All right, y'all, so I just finished washing the wig, and I towel dried it. It is still damp, and let me show you what it looks like after I towel dried it and I brushed it out. So those ends look pretty good. They're not going to take too much work to fix. But yeah, if it ever comes to where you're trying to, fix up your wig again and renew it, if it is really tangled or really matted at the ends, you want to boil some water in the pot, and then once it gets boiling, you would dip the ends of it in there and brush it out. So you dip it, pull it out, and brush it while it's still hot, and then you can take it out and you can dry it. Now, I don't like to submerge the whole entire wig because it just becomes so flat, and I don't know, I don't really do that too much anymore. But yeah, just for the ends, because usually the ends is the worst part. It's the part that really gets tangled and matted. But that's pretty much all I did. So what I'm going to do for the sake of the video is I'm going to blow dry this wig out instead of letting it set overnight and dry on its own. Alright, so right here I am just brushing through and blow drying at the same time for the best result. You can also use a comb, but this is how I like to do it, so I'm using the brush. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like right now. It's almost, I'm almost finished blow drying it. And I'm going to go in and actually, I'm going to go in and actually flat iron this so I can get it as straight as possible. But as you see, the shine is still there, and I really feel like it's something to do with that shampoo. So I really do think that it helps to have a little bit of a shampoo with silicone. And any shedding that you get, you will, just brush it out. Because, like I said, this is an old wig, so it will have a little bit of shedding. And when we're done, we're just going to clip the ends on it. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next step, which is flat ironing it. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So this is what the wig is looking like now. Just for me flat ironing it. Okay. It's got body all over again. This is what the front is looking like. So it looks pretty good to me. So I don't even really know if I need to cut the ends on it because they don't look too bad. I mean, they're a little frayed, but I guess I'll clip the ends a little bit. And I'll just do that off camera because I'm sure y'all don't care to see that. So look at the shine on that hair. It's looking good to me, okay? Don't mind my sweat. It's hot up in there. But look at that. I can run my fingers through it. It looks good, y'all. Back to life. Back to reality. However do you want me? However do you need me? Oh. However do you want me? However do you need me? Alright, so this is the wig. It's starting to get a little dark, y'all, so don't mind my lighting. But this is the wig after, I basically did all those steps to it, and this is what it's looking like. You see it's got movement. It's got shine still. Okay, I didn't trim very much off of it. I only trimmed a little bit. But let me stand up so you guys can see. I'll move this chair out the way. Alright, so this is what the wig is looking like. Where's my comb? Oops. Okay. So I can comb through it. Oops. This is what the wig is looking like, y'all. Okay. Comb the back out. I mean, I think it turned out really good, especially based off of what it was looking like in the beginning. This looks good to me. I do apologize for the lighting. Like I said, it's a little dark now. Y'all know it get dark early. So I only have one of my lights on, but I really do like this wig. I really do like how it came back to life, okay? So, yeah, that's how that's looking, y'all. That is how that's looking. Of course, I didn't get that part on the ears, but it looks good to me. All right, y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by my channel and watching me, you know, revamp this wig. I do like how it turned out. This was a one-day process because I blow dried it. I didn't leave it overnight, but usually I like to leave it overnight because I feel like sometimes you'll get better results. You'll get an even more shinier wig, but this came out pretty nice and shiny. And also, you know, I didn't add any wig sprays or sheens or anything to it. I just used that shampoo and it really helped. Now this is not sponsored or nothing, so I mean, I would just say any kind of shampoo that does have, silicone or silicone, however you pronounce it, whichever shampoo has that in it, I do believe that helps with the wig to keep it shiny. But anyways, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video, and also let me know if there's any other ways that, you know, you like to revamp your wigs or any ideas that you would like me to try. All right, y'all, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That way you will be notified anytime that I make videos or anytime that I post my videos. And also, you know, it's good to do that, okay? Help a sister out.